Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I'm going to be walking you through what it's like to get your car tinted and how important this can be for you. All right, let's jump in. All right, guys, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why we want to do this. I'm actually doing this in partnership today with Kimballs Hands On Detailing and Don of the Tint Doctor. Now, you guys know all my content is always DIY, right? But there's some things that I would really prefer to have a professional do. So after talking with Joe and Don, I'm looking for Don to do this work today. Now, Don, what's the one thing you wish everybody knew about tinting?
A lot of people think that just window tinting is just to make your car look cooler, make your windows a little darker, and it does make it look cooler for one. One of the biggest things people don't realize is the amount of UV rays that damages your interior, and it blocks out 99.9%. Most glass on cars already have a certain percentage of UV, so when we put our film on there, it blocks out 100% of that. Electric cars, ceramic is the tint that we suggest because it conserves energy, because you don't use as much energy, because it keeps that heat out. It keeps wintertime, it keeps it warmer when you got the heat going and things like that. So
I love it.
So people don't know that it does provide a lot of comfort as well.
So that's a really good point. That actually, I'll be honest with you, I never thought of that. That tinting might actually preserve the battery of your EV.
Yes,
so
it does.
That's wild. So that's really cool. So we're going to walk you through this whole process today. We're going to show you what it takes and why you really want to have a pro like Don do this work. All right, guys, so let's jump in. Let's get started.
A lot of the times you'll see some people cut directly on the glass. What we like to do is this is just a piece of something, just hole punch, so a piece of plastic under the film. So when you put your razor on it, it'll follow with your razor, and so you're cutting on, this is protecting the glass, so there's no contact whatsoever.
Good job, man.
And we could drop it down.
All right, guys, all done. As you can tell by the walk around, and she looks so good. I tell you, Don of the Tint Doctor does an incredible job. And if you're here in the Pacific Northwest, there's nowhere else I would go to get your car done. Make sure to check them out. All of their information will be linked in the video description below. Now, this is only part of the full detailing series I'll be doing with Kimballs Hands On Detailing, and this is just really going to be transformational with my car, and I want to bring you along and why you would want to do the same. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to click like and subscribe. It would make a tremendous difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.